Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the music from YouTube on your iPhone device. So first of all, you need to understand one important thing clearly. You can't legally download the music directly from the regular YouTube videos to your iPhone's music library unless you have the permissions or you are using an official services. So the safest way for you to download the music is via YouTube's official subscription services. So in order to apply for it, you can just simply open your YouTube application on your phone. Over here, you need to sign in that particular account on which you want to basically download the music from YouTube. Now, once you are inside, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you just have to scroll down and look for the option of Get YouTube Premium. So what this is going to do is it is going to redirect you here on the YouTube Premium subscription page, where as you can see, you can try YouTube absolutely for free for the next 2 months. So here simply select the option of try 2 months for free. After that, you just have to basically make the payment with your Apple Pay. So once you make the payment, your subscription will be added here on YouTube. Now with this particular subscription, you can download YouTube music application and then you can download the song for offline listening in that particular app. Or when you have the subscription, you can also download the videos on YouTube and then you can play those videos inside your YouTube application as well. So with the help of the download option, you are going to see all of the downloads that you have made, and then you can listen to these videos in the form of audio anytime offline via YouTube application. Because with premium, you are going to get the on-screen feature as well, meaning that when your screen is off, your video will keep on playing. So you can also basically get the best out of this particular option via YouTube Premium. And the best part is that you are going to get YouTube Premium subscription absolutely for free. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.